function of the voltmeter, ammeter, ohmmeter, and ohmmeter. Yung multimeter or multitester is ginagamit siya pang ginagamit siya pang measure ng electric. And ito yung ginagamit kasi siya, accurate siya and malaking tulong siya sa pag-measurement. And yung sinabi ni teacher ni tutulong din ito sa sa malaman kung may mga sira ba yung iano mo or wala. So meron tayo dalawang kinds ng multimeter. Ang analog and digital multimeter. Yung analog ay yung dalawang yun, may ninimeasure sila, may different, magkaiba yung gamit nila or ninimeasure nila. Sa analog, this measure current resistance and AC or DC voltage. Whereas digital is used to measure amps, volts, and ohms and displays. Visual via LED displays. So, meron din itong meron din itong line na parts na nakafunction para tulong ito sa pagiging accurate ng paggamit. Ang una is indicator pointer. So, yung indicator pointer sa which parameter is yung parang paggalan mo, basta tignan nyo sa book niya paggalan and ito yung parang pag nag-measure siya, ito yung gumagalaw ito yung gumagalaw para malaman kung ano yung measurement. And says zero ohm adjuster. And madami adjuster madami itong adjuster. And isa rin dito ang zero ohm adjuster. Range selector. So, yung range selector is yung yung parang yung sa yung parang iniikot siya, parang iniikot. Basta hindi exactly pero parang and sa this is used to measure voltage, current, and power line frequency. Negative terminal. So, dito na connect yung black row. And sa mirror, this is used to help reduce parallel viewing mirror. And ito yung parang tumutulong din para di ba pasukan lang ito or masira yung pinakalaw. So, zero position adjuster. Ito yung is used to cover the inputs of format monitoring and positive terminal. Ito naman na-connect yung red group. So, parang ano lang siya ng yung negative sa black group siya and sa positive yung red group. Next page na. Function. So, function selection. Function selection. Using the range selector node, set the function of both. These are the possible functions. We're taking DC voltmeter, AC voltmeter, and DC ammeter and ohmmeter. So, may iba silang gamit, and ang gamit ng DC voltmeter is range used to set the range selector in any range in the second quadrant of the pattern, which is marked as DC green. And sa AC is ganun din, but range set the range selector in any range in the first quadrant of the pattern, which is marked ACB. And sa ammeter naman, is sa third quadrant and marked as DCMA. And sa ohmmeter is fourth quadrant and nasa tingnan niyo sa book niyo kung paano na-mark yung ohmmeter. Ohm daw, ha? Ohm daw, sabi ni Sig. Ay, isa. Yun sila. Nag-refer ko kayo? Ako. Saglit lang ako, ha? Sino ba yung marker?
Fixed resistor. The main use of fixed resistor is to control the amount of current flowing sa isang circuit para ma-provide ang specific voltage levels. Ginagamit ito sa mga various electronics devices and circuits for purposes such as voltage division, current limiting, signal conditioning, and balancing. Ito rin ay essential components in electronic circuits, ensuring proper operation and functionality of devices, amplifiers, sensors, power supplies, at iba pa. Variable resistor ay isang electronic component that allows for manual adjustment or resistance value, hindi katulad ng fixed resistors na merong predetermined resistance value. Variable resistors can be adjusted to change the resistance within certain range. Ang pinakagamit ng variable resistors ay para makontrol ang amount ng current flowing sa circuit or para i-adjust ang voltage levels. Mas ginagamit ito sa various electronics devices and circuits purposes such as volume control, dimming lights, tuning circuits, and setting reference voltage. Carbon composition resistor ay isang halimbawa ng fixed resistor na gawa sa mixing carbon granules with binder material, typically ceramic, and then forming it into a cylindrical shape. Ginagamit ito sa various electronic circuits dahil sa kanilang reliability, stability, and low cost. Metal glass resistor or metal film resistor. Ito ay isang uri ng resistor kung saan ang thin film of metal, typically nichrome, is deposited into a ceramic substrate. The resistance value is determined by the length, width, and thickness of the metal. A glass tin oxide resistor is a type of resistor made from a mixture of tin oxide and glass. It's often used in electronic circuits due to its stability and reliability. These resistors can withstand high temperatures and provide consistent resistance over time. They are commonly used in applications where precautions and stability are crucial. Wirewood resistor is also a type of fixed resistor that is constructed by winding resistive wire around the ceramic or fiberglass core. These resistors are designed to provide very accurate and stable resistance values, typically with tight tolerance levels and low temperature coefficients.
The effects of resistor. 1. Open. When a resistor is open in a circuit, there is no flow of power in the entire series pass. Thus, the meter pointer of ohmmeter will not move. So, kapag ang isang resistor na sa open circuit, walang power na dumadaan, kaya ang meter pointer ng isang ohmmeter hindi siya gagalaw kasi since walang power source na nakukuha. 2. Change value. This exceeds the maximum and minimum tolerance percentage, such as value means that the resistor is defective. So, ini-exceed na yung isang maximum o minimum tolerance ng isang resistor, kaya nagiging defective siya. Resistor color coding chart. Ang first at second color chart naman, magkapela sila. Sila nagpapakita ng resistant value ng isang resistor at ang third color band naman, siya nagre-represent ng number 0 pagkatapos na i-multiply. At ang fourth color band na naman, siya nagre-represent ng tolerance ng isang resistor.